Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a huge Sephora haul to share with you. I've been shopping yet again for myself and my family members, and I cannot wait to share everything that is in this bag with you. It is heavy, okay? Today's video has been kindly sponsored by Sephora, so thank you so much Sephora for sponsoring this video. And the Sephora Gifts for All event is happening right now. It goes from December the 5th all the way to December the 14th. Now this event is a one-time use. The code is SAVEGIFTS, the way I am spelling it right here on the screen, and you can save 20% off of your purchase and 30% off of the Sephora collection items that you include in that purchase. Additionally, this discount stacks with free same-day delivery if you're a beauty insider. So if you have not yet signed up for the Beauty Insider program, definitely do so. I have the links for the sign up down below, as well as all of the links to all of the products I'm about to mention right now and the savings codes. Anyways, the code for the free same-day delivery for beauty insiders is QUICKGIFTS, the way it is spelled on the screen right now. And if you're a beauty insider, as I was saying, it stacks with the code SAVEGIFTS so that you can save your 20% off of anything you purchase and 30% off of Sephora collection items. This is a fantastic time of year to shop at Sephora and get everything you need for you and your loved ones. Whether you are a Rouge member, a VIB, or a beauty insider, everyone gets the same savings this time around. Do remember it is a one-time use, so grab everything you want and add it to your cart together so that you can save money on as much as possible. Anyways, the Sephora Gifts for All event is truly one of the best times of year to shop at Sephora, so definitely take advantage, and please take advantage of the free same-day shipping because it is amazing. I actually ordered my stuff with the free same-day shipping because I live around an hour from downtown Atlanta, and the stores that had some of what I wanted were all the way down there, and I didn't want to drive down there, so I ordered it, and it's kind of like shopping locally, but they deliver it to your house. It's super convenient. Anyways, let's get started with this Sephora haul. First things first, I got my hands on a couple different foundations, one for me, one as a gift. This right here I already have and I own. This is actually a gift for my niece. This is the Sephora collection Best Skin Ever foundation. I reviewed this foundation here on my channel a few months back and I fell in love with it. It is fantastic for my dry skin. It is fantastic if you have normal skin. The formula is thin. It melts right into your skin. It is undetectable. It looks extremely natural, and it is very affordable. Plus you can get it with the 30% off during this Gifts for All event at Sephora, which is incredible. So this right here, don't tell her, she doesn't really watch my YouTube channel, so she won't find out from me, is one of my Christmas presents for my niece. I love it, and I know she's going to love it. She always needs a little restock of foundation because she sometimes wears foundation to school. Anyways, I know she is going to love this one because she likes very natural, barely there makeup, and that is exactly what this foundation will do for her. Now the second foundation I purchased is actually my all-time favorite foundation, and I needed a restock of it, so I took advantage of this event to restock on my McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation. This is my old one. And you can see I definitely needed a restock. This is actually the foundation that I am wearing today, and like I said, needs very little explanation. This is simply my all-time favorite. I could be having the most horrible skin day ever as far as like dryness and dullness is concerned, and this foundation will come to rescue my face. It's so thin, it's so natural looking, it lasts so well on my dry skin, and it makes me feel and look alive. I wear the shade Light Medium 9 on this foundation. It's the color I am wearing today, and it's like a hair darker than like the color of my skin, but it honestly makes me feel so good to have some color on my face. I love it. If we are shade twins, maybe go to the 8 shade instead if you wanted to truly match, but Light Medium 9 has been my favorite shade of this foundation ever since it came out years ago. This is, by the way, like my 5th restock of this foundation, and that's how you know I really truly really love something, because I have dozens of foundations in my drawer and I could simply just use another, but I choose to always have this one here at my house in stock and available because I simply cannot live without it, okay? The next product I got is from Dr. Jart, and it is this right here. This is a 12 mask variety pack from Dr. Jart. I love Dr. Jart sheet masks, and I am going to be sharing the love. Of course, I don't want all 12 of them for myself. I will keep a couple of my favorite. My favorite ones are the Ceramidin one and the Vital Hydra Solutions one, and then I am going to share the rest with my friends and family members. I'm doing like little goodie bags, dividing beauty gifts amongst my friends and family, and who doesn't love a good sheet mask, right? So I will be breaking this apart, 12 different masks for a really good price, and giving them away as Christmas presents, as well as, like I said, keeping some for myself. Dr. Jart sheet masks have been favorites of mine for years now. They are extremely gentle on my very sensitive skin. They feel cooling and relaxing, and my face feels brand new after I do one of these. So I love them and I highly recommend them. My next present is from Armani, and it is an Armani gift set, and what you get in here is 3 different Acqua di Gio fragrances from Armani. Now I am unsure whether I'm going to gift this away as is, right? It looks beautiful and very well packaged, or if I'm going to break it apart amongst different family members. I'm thinking nephew, brother-in-law, father-in-law, and then I'll add some other stuff to their Christmas gifts. I might break them apart for them, even though that would take away the wonderful packaging. Anyways, I love Armani fragrances in general. These are fresh and woodsy, and I think that they would absolutely love them. Needless to say, this is going to be a fantastic gift regardless, and the scents in here are amazing. Next, I got this kit right here from Saie Beauty. This is a fantastic value. You have 3 different of the Saie Beauty blushes. These are mini sizes. I'll show you them in comparison to a full size. Take a look right there. It's actually more than half, I would say. Let's see. A full size is 0.4 ounces and this small one is 0.24 ounces. So it is more than half of the full size, which is a fantastic deal because you get 3 different ones of them in this kit. Now, I will not be breaking this apart. This is also for my niece. This and that Sephora collection foundation. She loves blush. I think it's one of her favorite makeup steps, and so I think she's going to absolutely love this little kit. Plus, I love the Saie Beauty blushes. I'm wearing one today. I love the glow that they give my cheeks. And if you want to know what all I am wearing on my face today, by the way, I have it all listed and linked down below in the description box, right under the links to everything I purchased today, which is also linked down there, so definitely check out the description box. Anyways, this blush kit right here is fantastic. I love the Saie Beauty blushes, and I know my niece is going to go crazy for that. Listen, I couldn't help myself, okay? I purchased yet another one of these Rare Beauty brow kits. I bought 2 of them, I think, or was it 3, during the Sephora savings event a few weeks ago, and this went down in price even more after that, so I got another one because I just love this eyebrow gel. It's my favorite eyebrow gel. It keeps my brows looking so slick and so perfect. Plus, it has the mini mascara in there from Rare Beauty, which is also an incredible mascara. I could not help myself. I got another one. Don't judge me, but also get it because this is a fantastic price right now. This next product is not a gift. This next product is for me, and it's the reason I chose to do the free same-day shipping, because this bronzer was nowhere near my house. I would have had to drive at the very least 45 to 50 minutes to find a Sephora that had this bronzer in stock, but I didn't have to because I got that same day delivery. I am talking about the Prisme Libre bronzer. I've been talking to you guys about this bronzer for a while and the fact that I wanted to try it. Let's open it and see. I love the Givenchy Prisme Libre everything, so when you put Prisme Libre on a bronzer, I am going to want to try it. The packaging feels very luxurious. Here it is. Once you open it, you have a mirror, you have a nice thick brush right here, and then it opens up and it looks like this. I'm going to swirl my fingers together in here. Oh, it might be a little too light for me. Here's what it looks like swashed. I'm definitely going to be trying this one on my face in a video very soon actually. That might just work. That looks beautifully cool tone, and it does add some color to the back of my hand right there. So this might just be a really fantastic bronzer for me. I'll be trying it in a video very soon for sure. I cannot wait. The packaging, 10 out of 10. This is luxury makeup right here. No regrets. I don't know what took me so long to finally get my hands on this one, but I love to get it with the discount, so I have no regrets for taking long. Anyways, the next product I purchased is this set right here from Makeup Forever. This is the Artist Color Pencil Stellar set, and you get 4 nude lip liners in here. They're artist pencils, so technically you can also use these on your eyes. Here's what it looks like once you open it. You have 5 pencils in there. I thought it was 4. Here's the shade Limitless Brown right there. Wherever Walnut, which is just such a stunning nude color. Anywhere Caffeine right here. It's like a mid-tone cool brown. Very pretty. Endless Cocoa, which is this very cool tone shade. And last but not least, Boundless Berry, which is the brightest of the 5 of them. Honestly, did I need any more lip liners? Absolutely not. Am I super happy I got these? 100%. Very excited to add these to my collection, and I can't wait to start playing with them. I have 2 more things to show you, and I am going to leave the most exciting one for last. So the next thing I want to show you I got is this right here, because my obsession with the Delicia Drench Oil is so real, you guys. I needed this. So what you get in this wonderful kit, I love the bag by the way, is a 3 fluid ounce Delicia Drench shower oil, which is perfect for travel. This right here is my absolute most favorite thing in my shower. In fact, if the oil is mostly what you care about, the shower oil, get the big size of this, which I got already. Don't get the kit, because the big size of this is to me what is most worth it, but I already have a big size, so I wanted something to travel with. You also get the Delicia Drench Body Butter in here. This I haven't tried. I've tried their yellow body butter, but not this one. Now, I do know I love the smell of the Delicia Drench shower oil. I would assume this smells the same, so I'm going to be obsessed with this. I know it. And then you also get the Shea Rosa 59 Perfume Mist Travel Spray, which is an ounce of travel spray right here. Love this kit with a passion, in particular because of the travel size Delicia Drench shower oil, which, like I said, I currently cannot live without. The hydration this shower oil will give your body for winter is no joke. I feel like I don't need to add any extra moisturizer when I leave my shower. It is that potent, but then I do because my skin is too dry not to. However, I don't even feel like I need to when I use my shower oil, because it is super hydrating and it smells so freaking good. My whole shower just, it smells amazing in there when I shower and I use that stuff, which I use every day. It makes my shower experience just 10 times better. Anyways, the last product, which I told you guys is the best, I left the best for last. I'm very excited about this fragrance set, and I absolutely got this for myself. Anyways, I got the new Kayali Musk Obsessions miniature set. I gotta say, I prefer getting the Kayali mini fragrances to the big perfumes, because that way I get to try more things and I don't feel as guilty about having another fragrance sitting around. So I love that Kayali does the mini spray bottles. It's not like a travel fragrance where you have to like dump it and mess with it. You can spray it just as easily as the big size. I wish more perfume companies did that. That would be wonderful. Here's what the box looks like, and let's open it. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, take a look right there. Take a look, and we will smell them all right now. I'll let you know which one's my favorite. Okay, so we have Musk Bouquet 27. Oh my god. I feel like nothing can top this one already. I haven't smelled the other three, but this smells spectacular. Oh my god. Let me read you the notes because they're in the back right here. Very easy. So Musk Bouquet number 27 has solar jasmine, ylang ylang, Turkish rose, praline, sandalwood, and vanilla musk. It smells so good. It's like sweet and sexy all at the same time. It's so good. Like I said, I don't know what the rest of them smell like, but I doubt that can be topped. Anyways, let's go to Musk Santal 34. Okay, that smells really good as well. I do prefer the first one still, but this one's kind of like fresher. Ooh, very nice. I'm very happy I got this kit so far. So Musk Santal 34 has pink pepper, sweet freesia, soft lily, orange blossom, candied amber, and musk santal. It smells delicious and, like I said, fresher because it has that citrus orange blossom note in there. Very nice. I do prefer Musk Bouquet so far. Musk Matcha 45 is the third one. I don't particularly love the smell of matcha, but we'll see. Alright, this definitely smells a lot greener, a lot more herby, if you will. And usually green herbal scents are not my favorite. Anything with like tea in it, not my favorite. For the name of it, it being called matcha, is not bad, but not my favorite of the three. So this one has matcha, bergamot, oat milk, praline, sandalwood, and sweet musk. So except for the matcha note, everything else in there I love, which is what makes it so much better. But I definitely smell the matcha in there. So to be honest with you, that one I might gift away. Okay, the fourth one is called Musk Latte, and that makes me excited. So let's see, let's go for it. This is Musk Latte 41. Okay, that smells really good. Kind of coconutty. I think if I had to rate them off of my first impression, this one is my third favorite. I'll give you the rating at the end. Let me do the notes. So Musk Latte has bergamot, pink pepper, Turkish rose, cafe latte, cedarwood, and chocolate musk. Okay, so the coconut smell was probably chocolate that I was smelling because I thought maybe it had like coconut milk in there or something, but it doesn't. Really nice, but I prefer the first two. So my rating is my first most favorite one, definitely Musk Bouquet. I said it when I first smelled it. I was like, I don't think that can be topped because I loved it, and it wasn't. So this is my number one favorite. Number two favorite is Musk Santal. Number three favorite is Musk Latte, and then my least favorite is Musk Matcha, which I don't see myself wearing. I do see myself wearing the other three, but Musk Matcha I don't think is for me. With that said, this right here was an incredible kit to get because these little fragrances from Kayali usually retail for like $30 some, and this was $100 for 4 different ones. So a fantastic little set, and I loved 3 out of 4 of the fragrances. I am happy. And that was it. That was the last of my haul. So head over to the description box if you are interested in any of the products I talked about so that you too can shop this Sephora Gifts for All event. I have the links to all of the products down in the description box, as well as the links to everything I'm wearing on my face today. I have the sign up link for the Beauty Insider program down there, as well as the savings codes and the free delivery codes. Everything you need is in the description box. Happy shopping, and thank you so much to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. If you guys liked this beauty haul, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!